It's going to be more of a close-up video of the walk-around instead of just a generic one that we had before. I want to go around and point out some of the concerns that I see. Now, mind you, again, this vehicle is coming from an estate. I've not had a ton of time in the driver's seat, but what I have had has been absolutely incredible. Drives out like you expect a 430 would, with additional power and additional sound. Other than that, everything feels great. Transmission is incredibly tight. The suspension feels good, and the interior is as nice as you can get. Interior items do work, so seats work, radio works, AC works, things along those lines are all working as they should. Now, the wheels do have aftermarket components to them, so you will see a TPMS light that may come up if you cycle through any type of warnings. It does not stay present on the dashboard, but that'll be part of the inspection sheet that you'll see posted to the ad. So as we take a look around the vehicle, see that there are some very small minor chips in the front like you would expect from any type of driving. The wheels themselves are very clean. This is the driver front. Don't see any major wear on it. Spot right there, but again, nothing that is crazy. As we come out, you can see that the gasket around the windshield is in very good repair. The windshield is as well. The A-pillar trim, as they go bad on F430s, this isn't too bad. Someone should be able to go back and repaint over it if they would like to go back to the OEM finish. As you can see down the side, we don't have any major door dings. We don't have any paint touch-up that's concerning. We don't have any type of major concerns. You will see in the ad that we also have the paint readings. I could not find anywhere on the vehicle that seemed that it was repainted or anything that had been overly touched up. Mind you, there are clear bra components of the vehicle, so there will be some that will be thicker gauges than others for obvious reasons. But let's tailor back to the top again for a second. The only two concerns that I really saw on it was right here. Neither one of them have a concern if the vehicle gets wet. Again, normal wear for the F430 Spider. I do believe that this top is going to be an aftermarket. I don't know when it was put on. I could not find any resources around that. Fortunately, we had a little bit of rain this morning, so of course a black car with rain, you get a little bit of spotting on it. This is going to be where the clear coat is coming off of the rear diffuser. Again, nothing serious, something that a good paint guy should be able to take care of. But look at the diffuser. Absolutely great condition on the diffuser. Usually those are all messed up, but this vehicle has been well taken care of. Have a bunch of carbon fiber bits that are again part of the Novatech group. Darkened tail lights, darkened brake lights. As we go around here, you can see again there's some little bit of rash on the wheels, but nothing that is going to be overly concerning or detract from the vehicle itself. Again, we can see down the side, looks real good. Light door wear as you'd expect. But again, this is as good as it gets when it comes to a driver vehicle that has been modified. You usually expect to see some major wear on them. This vehicle is not that type of vehicle. Again, a little bit of wear there. The front of the vehicle looks really good. We have clear lights. It may be a little bit hazy this morning, just regards to the weather, but the lights are both very, very clear. No issues along the front when it comes to the main facade. Again, good shape. We do have some protections going on underneath of the vehicle. So we will walk over to the passenger side as well. And there is a little bit of there, a little bit on the scrape armor. But again, that does not detract from the vehicle itself, especially when it has the lifter on it.